My class viewing English. So before we start our class, I will check your attendance first. Celebrate.
Present.
Good.
Present.
Inawan.
Absent.
Estilo. Molina.
Absent.
Olivas. So let's begin our discussion. So these are our learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, you should be able to display test.
Identify the triple balance, electronic analytical balance, liquid and gas thermometer, and equilibrium thermometer. Describe the function of each measuring tools. Show careful test accuracy and responsibility in handling science tools.
So anyone who can remember our last topic yesterday? Yes, Ryan.
Different types of weather.
Okay, thank you, Ryan. So what are the different types of, what are the five types of weather? Do we need?
The first one is sunny day, rainy day, cloudy day, windy day, and stormy day.
Okay, thank you. So, I have two pictures here. So first is the thermometer and second is the temperature. So what do you think this tool is used for? Raisa?
It's used to measure.
Okay, very good. Where have you seen this tool before? Anyone? 7.
In the clinic or hospital.
Okay, good. How do we know the temperature for hot and cold? 7.
We use it to check the temperature.
Okay, those should be related. So, as you can see in this picture, what do you think this tool is used for? Raisa?
It is used to measure.
Okay, very good. Another picture here, what temperature is it? Hot or cold?
Temperature.
Okay, how about this?
What temperature?
Okay, for you students, so give a 5 claps to yourselves.
Based on the activity that we did earlier, what do you think our lesson is all about? Castillo, can you please stand and tell me what you did? Very good. Can you give some features for Castillo? So today we will learn about thermometer and balance. So we have the two types of the thermometer. So first is digital laboratory thermometer. So Silver, please stand and explain. Digital laboratory thermometer shows temperature using numbers on the screen. So digital laboratory thermometer used in a science laboratory to measure the temperature of water during an experiment. So the second one is liquid and gas thermometer. Olivas, can you please stand and please read?
Liquid gas thermometer contains color that rises when temperature increases.
So liquid and gas thermometer is used to check the temperature of liquid such as warm water or cold water. The next are two types of balance. So the first is triple beam triple beam balance is used in school to measure the mass of coins, erasers, or small objects. So the next is electronic analytical balance. So can you please read the electronic analytical balance?
Measure mass, digital, and gives accurate result.
So, electronic analytical balance, we use this in our laboratories to measure the mass of small substances like powdered chemicals very accurately. So, class, what are the two types of thermometer again? Laboratory thermometer, liquid and gas thermometer. And what are the two types of balance?
Triple beam balance, electronic analytical balance.
Very good. And let's proceed to the assessment. So, please get 1/4 of sheet of bond paper and answer the following and get your answers on the board. And I will give you 1 minute to finish it. So please pass your paper on top. And for your assignment class, draw one balance and one thermometer, label the parts, write one safety rule for using each. And that's the end of our lesson. Can you please stand?